Hi everyone, thanks for joining us again. Robert with Tampa Bay Auto Network, here to do a walk around with you on this 2022 Ram 1500 TRX, also known as T-Rex. The point of our walk arounds is to show you any cosmetic imperfections that won't show up in our 100 high definition photos located on our website. If you're on our website, you can see those photos just below this video. If you'd like to see a more detailed vehicle description which highlights the features and options of this truck, you can by all means scroll up and see it above this video. If you're on our YouTube page and would like to see either of those things, please join us at TampaBayAutoNetwork.com. You can also get a free shipping quote for anywhere in the country, financing options, free CARFAX report, and an original window sticker. At the end of this video, you'll have a chance to hear the engine running on this truck and the exhaust note. Now let's get to that walk around. Okay everyone, we're doing this walk around. It's going to be pretty much a quick preview because it's got 5,700 miles and it looks it. It is flawless. Normally I can point out some chips. There's not even that, if I'm being quite honest. This truck looks brand new. It's got an extended hitch on it. That is a power retractable hard tonneau cover. As you can see, not a chip, scratch, ding or dent anywhere on this practically new truck. Panoramic roof. Now for a quick preview on the interior. As promised, nothing really to say. This thing is gorgeous. Brand new. It even still has plastic on the screen from the dealer. This one is a must-see if you're in the market for a T-Rex, guys.